Listening to you now, we can come to know that how deep is naturopathy and how important it is for people, and how can it actually not just treat it, but it can actually cure your problems, from the root. So, but people have to be more aware about it. Yeah, like you mentioned.
Yes, yes.
So before I let you go, doctor, so recently when COVID-19 happened, people did all kind of treatment, and some worked for them and some did not. So if I talk about naturopathy, so if a person is going through that kind of virus, so how can naturopathy help them in their treatment?
Okay. In naturopathy, first of all, we don't um, take it into a very serious condition. Okay, it is a serious condition. I'm not saying COVID was a easy situation. It was a very
Yeah.
tough situation. But by giving a proper support to your body, I can say you can heal a little faster than otherwise. So whatever you were seeing in COVID time, like the facial steam and the herbal drinks, like a
Yeah.
herbal teas, okay, all of them started doing that from when? Only from COVID time. Were they not existing before? It was there. All my patients before COVID knew it that when they get any kind of fever, any kind of viral, any kind of bacterial, they have to take steam, they have to take kashaya, and they get better. Okay, so it's there from very long time. So it will help them definitely to enhance their immune system, and also to support, eliminate whatever the damage is happening because of the COVID in the body. Okay. Yes. The other thing happened during COVID time is there are so many controversies came that kasha is good,
Yeah.
is not good, and so there are WhatsApp videos and messages came into existence that it's wonderful. You need to drink this kada and this kasha and all. And later on, it came. It's good. It's bad. It damages your body. So let me give some clarity about it. It is amazing, but it's not that the kashaya suits for everybody in the same way. We have different kind of kashaya for different body types. If you have pitta body nature, the kashaya is different. If you have vata, your kashaya is different. If you have kapha, your kashaya is different. The second part of it, thinking it is good, people started drinking per day 3 times, 4 times. What happens? It definitely, your body cannot take so much of heat, right? One is you should know what kind of kada you should take. Second is there should be a limit. How much are you taking? Okay. So one thing during naturopathy works amazingly to support COVID situations. Okay, like if they have no much symptoms, you don't need to take any medicines. Just by managing well, you cannot do by yourself. You need to reach a doctor, because sometimes you may think you don't have symptoms, but maybe your symptoms are more.
Yeah.
You're not aware, so you have to get your test done. You have to reach a doctor, and then we will be able to say that you need immediately medical attention. Or you can, even medical doctors said during COVID time, do not take more medicines if you don't have much symptoms. But what happened was, even though you don't have symptoms much, they started taking a lot of medicines, so which actually lead to more complications. You know, these are the few things you have to look. If it is, it will work amazingly. If it is not the severe condition, and you will have only complicated condition if you have multiple problems in the body, multiple organ problems or age, and also more than anything, phobias.
Absolutely.
So no symptoms, nothing. You just see somebody in the family got it, and you get severe fear, and then you get COVID. Okay, it's just I should say this, that more than anything else, the phobia and fear has made people's life more ruined than anything else.
Okay.
Okay, so it will help to calm down when we introduce naturopathy during COVID time. We can help the mentally to stay calm and the symptoms to resolve better. And you can also take naturopathy treatment along with the Ayurveda, along with the allopathy medicines. So that will also help you to heal faster. Okay, but yes, you cannot sit at home if you have little symptoms more, or if your oxygen saturation is less. You have to go to allopathy doctor, and you have to make sure that your parameters are getting back to normal.
Okay, okay, great. Thank you so much, Dr. Sneha, for coming to STube TV and speaking with us. And thank you so much for all the information that you gave about naturopathy, which I think is a high time for people to know about. And because, these are our medicines, our Indian medicines. People have this idea about naturopathy that it is from the West, but no, it is not, and it is actually derived from India and Ayurveda. So thank you so much for clearing out the confusion, and thank you so much for educating us on the topic.
You're welcome. And I really appreciate for you to taking, taking interest in it to spread this knowledge and awareness to everybody. Thank you so much.
All right, guys, that's it from SQ TV. Keep on watching and do subscribe to the channel.